So I've made multiple different tutorial videos on how to get the audio out from your computer to your cell phone for TikTok live streaming. And I did find a lot of problems with audio loop issues and buzzing noises, and I think that I solved the problem with an audio ground loop adapter that would remove the ground loop issues with your aux cables plugged into your computer. I did solve those problems, but I did run into another problem where I was getting an electrical noise going to my cell phone from my cell phone charger. Now I'm going to roll this clip and you're going to be able to hear the differences between each individual different charger and the quality differences. As you can see the different audio qualities between each individual charger, I found that my MacBook charger was the best audio quality, and that was my normal charger that I use on a daily basis. But I ended up grabbing one of my other chargers for that day, I don't know why, and I ended up having a huge audio problem. Then I discovered if I plugged the power cable, USB cable into my computer, I had a cleaner audio than I would with all my other chargers. One major issue with plugging my charging cable into my PC is that it's not able to supply enough amperage to my phone to keep it fully charged and run the screen mirroring software and the TikTok app at the same time. My phone actually begins to slowly discharge over time and will not be able to keep running it correctly. So I need to have it plugged into a much more powerful power source to keep the phone running without it drawing power from the battery and from the outlet at the same time, where I need it to be held at 100% charge while pulling the power from the outlet only. The outlet needs to have at least 1.2 to 1.4 amperage to be able to power our powerful cell phones. If not, it will actually begin to pull power from the battery if the charger is not able to supply enough power. I'm in the process of right now trying to figure out how to eliminate this audio issue that is being experienced with the charging cables, the USB cables. I did order in a couple different adapters that are supposedly USB ground loop issues, and this is basically kind of what this is picking up on the electrical noise, and hopefully these adapters will be able to filter out these electrical noises that we're experiencing. So make sure you hit that follow, like, and the notification bell, because in the next couple of days, I will be posting a tutorial video, product review on these products that I've ordered in to see if this does fix the audio issues that we are experiencing.